Hello guys, welcome to the Rhys Dinero Show episode 3, and today we're going to be talking about why now is the best time to invest in cryptocurrency, right? I'm going to throw a few numbers out there. Let's say you invested $1,000 into an S&P 500 in 2016, right? $1,000. You would have now approximately $1,200, right? If you invested that same $1,000 into Bitcoin in 2016, you would have over $14,000. I mean, let's say you invested the price of a nice luxury car, right? Let's say you invested £70,000, let's say $70,000, right? $70,000. You would have almost $1 million. That's in 2 years. That's in 2 years, right? And you don't think we can have them growths again? Them growths again? I mean, we've had them almost every year since 2010. You know, this market is still so new. Any money you throw in it. You know, let's say instead of buying that £100 pair of shoes, you would now have £1,000 spent on shoes if you wanted to. But once you start investing in this, you realize it's not there's more to it than just investing to get this pair of shoes, investing to get that car, investing for that holiday. You start to realize that it's to invest for your future. You're investing to be financially stable forever. Like it's to get this large sum of money, to get this pot of gold. And if you're smart about it, that pot of gold is really not that difficult to achieve. There's so many people that have achieved it. And I'm not here to say, this is a get rich scheme, which is not. By no means is this a get rich scheme. It's you have to understand the fundamentals of crypto. You've got to understand how to invest and how to make money from it, and you've got to be making smart decisions constantly. This is not a get rich scheme. You don't put money in it and it duplicates or any bullshit. This is this is an investment. This is an investment. And yeah, it really is crazy. I mean, but one reason why I'm here to say why this is the best time to invest, because I personally do not think we will ever get cryptocurrency prices as low as this ever again. The prices have been rising and rising and rising and rising, and for the past 4 years there's been the same trend in the market where there's usually a sell-off in January, and the market's kind of bearish up until May or June, and then we take off. We lift off. All the prices going 5 times, 10 times, 50 times, 100 times the current price. Everybody's thinking, wow, I missed out on that. Well, I'll have to wait till next year. And then December, January comes around. Everyone's starting selling some crypto, starting getting some money back. Maybe they're wanting it for Christmas presents, maybe they're wanting it for a holiday, maybe they're taking it out because it's the end of the year, tax season's coming up. Whatever it is, people take money out at the end of the year. It's just how it works. The Chinese New Year, the Western New Year, like it. A lot of spending goes on. Okay, and it's usually bearish for the first 4 or 5 months until we get into this season. And as you know, we're in the 5th month right now. So you can hesitate or you can read the information. I mean, don't just listen to me, do your own research. Read your research. This is all public information. This is not no insider knowledge that I have. That the market goes down and up in this pattern every year. You can Google it, YouTube it, of somebody else if you don't believe me. But trust me, all the people that I know that have been contemplating about crypto, I've said, just listen, just trust me. Just trust me this time. because I honestly truly think this is the last time we're gonna get prices this cheap for anything in crypto, for anything across the board, you know. Because everything's so cheap right now. Everything's so cheap. I mean, Bitcoin's less than, I think it's 55% down from the all-time high. You know, Ethereum's 50% down. Tron is over 60% down. You know, crazy. It's crazy. Litecoin, everything is down. And this is why it just makes sense, you know? If all your stocks were down, if every stock was down and you had spare money, would you not buy it? You know, if Apple was down 50%, you know, and you know, let's say Apple was down, but also Samsung was down, and also LG was down, and also all of these companies were down. It's not just because one product is bad, it's because the market is down. You know, buy. I think it was one of the Rothschilds that said, "When there's blood in the streets, buy, even if it's your own blood." You know, and that really says a lot. It's, you know, you buy when it's red, you sell when it's green. All right, just another little short video. Why I think cryptocurrency is the best investment right now, and why I think now is the best time to invest, possibly ever. All right. So this is the Rhys Dinero Show, episode 3. I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you very much for joining me, and bye bye.